In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple W-2 on FreeTaxUSA. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Income tab up top, and you want to click on Wages W-2 under Common Income. This will take you to your wages or Form W-2, and then if you've basically uploaded or put in a Form W-2 already, you'll see it over here. You can edit this one or delete it if you wanna, and if you want to upload multiple, you can click on Add W-2 over here, and then just simply add a new one by uploading it over here, entering it manually, or scanning it with a phone. So just click on Upload a file, press Continue, and then you can upload it by choosing a file from your computer. So if you want to upload multiple, that's all you have to do, and then just keep going back to Wages W-2, and you can keep on adding new ones. However, you can only upload one at a time, and then actually review everything and fill it out, and when you're done, you'll be able to then add another one as well, and that way you can upload multiple. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.